In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly shrink a petal bead that is real thin petals. And if you've done these, you'll notice that they have a tendency to, while they're shrinking, curl in on them themselves and touch each other and then fuse. And this video is going to show you how to avoid that. So it doesn't matter which side I put down. And what I do is I'm going to keep my heat gun around the perimeter of this bead. And what happens is, even though when it shrinks, it sucks in, your bead will get smaller and appear to be moving in and wiggling and moving in, and it will be, but the chemical reaction that's happening with the shrink plastic is with chemicals. Chemicals like when you're soldering, the solder wants to follow the heat. The chemicals of air, heat rises, air rises, so things follow heat. And the same principle happens here with the shrink plastic. It's going to want to follow the heat even though it's shrinking in and sucking in and curling in. The bead is going to want to pull towards the heat, and that pulling action is going to keep it from curling in on itself. So don't put your heat here, put it out to the perimeter. And then individually heat each bead. So watch. We're really close to my petals. And I like it if you go straight down on it because that's more even and direct with the heat. But for the sake of the video, I'm out here on the outside so you can see. And there, when they start to curl, I put that heat out there on the petals and see how that one pulled out and it wanted to follow that heat. Yet while it's shrinking and appearing to go in. And that's the key to these not curling in on themselves. And any bead that you have a problem with it curling in on itself, keep your heat to the perimeter. So I count to about 6 with this one. And while it's still warm, notice how I can it's just slightly warm. It's cooling. I can do any adjustments on this because sometimes the more delicate petals, some will be closer to each other and some spread farther apart. So if you want an even look, you just move. Don't force them. There, see that one there. I've got a little movement and see how I'm able to get a nice even look with that.